You spend money to make money. This bad boy right here is just going to keep on making money. You're just going to continue to reap the benefits. You're just going to keep profiting. My name is Israel Capo. I work for CTS Cement Manufacturing. We represent the Rapid Set products. I have been with the company now for 6 years. Before the company, I was a contractor for about 20 years. I go to job sites all the time. I always carry it most likely in the back of my truck when I know that I'm going to be visiting an applicator or a contractor who's going to do a Rapid Set product. So one time I was on a project and they had barrel mixers, only mixing 2 bags at a time. And I told them, I said, hey, look, I have a Hippo mixer. Do you mind me showing it to you? The owner of the company said, listen, I've heard of those before. I think they're, too pricey. I'm not really interested in, doing that. I mean, I said, well, listen, you can produce 50 bags an hour with this Hippo. I can basically get rid of an entire pallet in 1 hour. He says, my guys can do the same thing. I said, all right. So I went to work. I said, do you still mind if I bring it? Your guys can do the barrel mixing and I'll be over here mixing with the Hippo mixer. So he gave me the shot. I competed with their 2 guys mixing 4 bags at a time and just me mixing 5 bags at a time. And I got rid of an entire pallet in just 1 hour. So after that, I got a call from the president of the company saying he bought 9 Hippos for his guys. So it was amazing. I mean, the fact that you can go right ahead and mix all 5 bags and then shut the machine off and then take it to your station where you're about to dump it and pour it right out, it's a dream come true, man.